Have you ever wondered what makes up that giant glowing ball in the sky? The one that gives us warmth and light, the one we call the sun? It's a question that may seem simple, but the answer is anything but. Our sun, a celestial body of immense power and beauty, owes its existence to two primary elements, hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen, the lightest and most abundant element in the universe, makes up about 75% of the sun's mass. The remaining 25%? That's mostly helium, with less than 2% made up of heavier elements such as oxygen, carbon, neon and iron. But how does this composition result in the sun's incredible energy? The answer lies in a process known as nuclear fusion. In the sun's core, hydrogen atoms collide at high speeds, fusing together to form helium. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy, which travels outward from the core, eventually reaching the surface and radiating into space as light and heat. This balance of hydrogen and helium is not static, however. Over time, as more hydrogen fuses into helium, the sun's composition gradually changes. This process, occurring over billions of years, will eventually lead to significant changes in the sun's structure and energy output. But don't worry, this won't happen for another 5 billion years or so. In addition to hydrogen and helium, the sun contains trace amounts of heavier elements, collectively known as metals in astronomical terms. These elements, though minor in quantity, play crucial roles in the sun's structure and behavior. For example, carbon and oxygen help regulate the nuclear fusion process, while iron contributes to the sun's magnetic field. So, to summarize, the sun is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, with hydrogen making up about 75% of its mass and helium most of the rest. The sun's energy comes from the nuclear fusion of hydrogen atoms in its core, a process that also slowly changes the sun's composition over billions of years. And while they make up a small part of the sun's mass, heavier elements play important roles in the sun's structure and behavior. In essence, the sun is a giant glowing ball of mostly hydrogen and helium, powered by nuclear fusion and sprinkled with trace amounts of heavier elements. It's a celestial powerhouse, a testament to the incredible forces and processes at work in our universe. And to think all of this is happening in that bright spot in the sky that we see every day. It's truly a marvel of nature and science. So the next time you feel the sun's warmth on your skin, remember, you're feeling the results of cosmic alchemy, the fusion of atoms in a celestial body millions of miles away. And that, my friends, is what the sun is made of.